Dear students, now we are going to study next lesson, that is 7th lesson, tribes, nomads and settled communities. So first paragraph, first heading it is beyond big cities, tribal societies also. Means the other than the major society, we can see the tribal societies. Then where the tribal people live, in each and every area where they was living, we can see here maps also given, and from that we can see which groups was living in which area. That we will explain after later. First let us go through the lesson. Then how nomads and the mobile people lived. That means the people moving from one place to another place, like that people we are calling it nomads or nomad tribals, and how they was living. And then next major groups, that was the Banjaras. Then what is their life, that we want to see. Then changing society, new caste and the hierarchy. Then slowly there was changes in the tribal groups also. Then what was that we want to see. And deliberation on Jadi, how they are starting coming to in the group of Jadis or Varna system, how they are reaching, that we want to see. Then next one, it is the close looked with the Gonds. We want to see them very neatly or clearly, that one, what is the specialty of Gond. Then where they was living, it is given the map, that where is Gondwana, like that things. Then how they declined, like that things we want to study. Next group, it is Ahams, from what was their speciality and how they are becoming declined group, like that things. And here one speciality, they are started to getting connection with the Brahmins, and they are also started to believe or started to believe in Hindu religion by first half of the 18th century. Then comes the conclusion. This is all about the lesson. So we will see first the key points of the lesson, then we will explain the lesson, so you will get better idea. And at the same time, before starting the lesson, in next video I will explain the key points. Then after the completion of the key point, what you want to do, you want to read the questions of the lesson. What are the important questions given in the backside as exercise. And like last year, we want to start to make our own questions. If we are waiting to reopening of school, and in the school we will do all the activities, I don't think by it is going to finish October. Then already June, July, August, September, October, 5 months over. Then remaining 5 months we want to regain everything what we learned in 6th standard. So you can start making your own questions instead of depending on questions what is there in the backside activity. Other than that, you want to make your own question and you want to write your own answer. I will give like that homework, find out 5 questions, 6 questions, like that you can start by this lesson again. Okay, so in next what we can say important key points of the lesson.